So November last year, I think I had a slip disc or probably a sciatica punya issues, which I dah pergi hospital pun. So I tried various of treatments on myself and I pergi urut dan sebagainya. It doesn't heal off the pain lah. Okay, it just is a little bit saja. Until I met Naufal, alhamdulillah, and I decided to get this Allura. I buy out of impulse. I tell you honestly, I tak percaya langsung. I'm very skeptical about it. Because I myself a therapist and I believe for those yang ada sciatica atau perlu back pain kan, mesti nak kena ada manual punya therapy lah, baru you can feel the differences, right? So amazingly, mashallah, on that one night tu bila I guna Allura pens, I slept about 3 AM and I'm not really a morning person lah, tapi pagi nak kena bangun subuh about 6. Then after that morning nak kena buka klinik pukul 10, all the way sampai lepas maghrib ada ruqyah lagi kat rumah orang. So I spend that one night tu, and the one day tu after with the first day of wearing the Allura pens kan, one whole day and night from 10 all the way sampai 1 pagi ke 2 pagi. Then lepas tu I came back home and nak kena layan my kids lagi, dia tak tidur. And I realised that I have all the energy actually. And I didn't realise actually yang I punya belakang dah hilang. I tak teringat, and my lutut pun is getting much better. I tak teringat sampai the next day, I think Naufal call me, tanya, kau ada rasa ni tak? Kau rasa ringan tak? Kau rasa ni ke rasa tu? Cakap, ya Allah, semua ada lah. Not that you ask me, baru I realise macam And then again, I'm still skeptical. So I remove everything. I tak pakai for a few days because I tell myself that kalau I tak pakai, confirm this pain will come back to me. But alhamdulillah dia tak datang langsung. Then I dah slowly macam percaya sikit je. Okay. So lepas tu on the month itself, why I said I impulse buy, because I need something to support me lah, to give me comfort, because I nak pergi umrah and I need to bring 3 of my children. So one of them is 3 years old, dah dokong semua kan. So I did the tawaf and sa'i, everything like that. And of course dalam ihram tak boleh gunakan lah. But I experienced a very sakit lah kat kaki, cramp, my lower back especially again. Then I takut. So I went back straight to the hotel and I grabbed the Allura pens, and again I tidur lambat kan, dekat sana kan kita tidur lambat, and pagi siang dah pergi for subuh kan. I realise bila I tidur dengan pens tu dengan socks, pagi untuk bangun untuk subuh, prepare for subuh, dah about 70% dah mula hilang. Then lepas tu the next day zero. I remember last time during my NS days, bila kita punya kaki cramp semua, it will take me days untuk hilang kan.